All right, so hey everybody, we are here with Mr. Allen, the principal of Sunnyview Elementary in Western North Carolina. And we travel here all the time. We get the pleasure to work at your school. We've been doing pre-K for 4 months. Yesterday we had a great assembly. And what do you think of our shenanigans with the students?
It was great. The technique, the breathing techniques that you did to go along with the dancing moves that you taught was great.
Yeah.
Because I know, just especially since COVID, we've had a lot of the issues going on, social emotional issues, and having to be able to learn the breathing technique just to be able to calm down and deal with things that they're going through is great. I thought that was fabulous yesterday.
And we get to combine that with the arts, with music that they like,
Yes.
with movement, and so that really takes their mind into a different place. And they were having a blast.
Even the teachers got into it yesterday because they need to take some breaks too.
They're the ones that really, they're the heroes. They need a break.